Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add ink cartridge on your Canon TR7520 printer. Well, you can do this, the same process in other printers as well, but with this one I'm gonna show you. So first I have purchased this from Amazon. So for the very first thing is open this packet. And my printer is running low on yellow cartridge, and that is why I am replacing it. So you get these warnings, especially at the time of printing. If anything is running low, you get that warning in this modern printers. So that is why you know what exactly needs to be done. So this is how it looks. Okay, second thing is remove this cover. This is also not required, so it's very easy. Just gently, don't use too much force, and now it is ready. So first move this up. Okay, I mean, this cover is not required, but just bring it into this position. Now the system is already adjusting itself. Now let me see if I can focus it you on the screen. Yeah, the scanning unit cover is open. You can replace the ink tanks. So you can see on top of yellow there is a warning sign, and that is what we are going to replace. Now take a look here how it looks. Okay, so this one is yellow. This is what I'm gonna remove. So you can get an idea that how you're gonna place your new cartridge. It already shows you. Now take this one off, like just push this small portion that's coming out and take it off. Oh, it's almost over. This new one in the exact same position, just press it. You hear a small sound, and that's it. And you see here, let me see if I can focus here again. Oh, it's difficult. Yeah, see, the warning that was present here initially is gone. Okay, now I just need to close this up. Now it is giving me a message. Let me see here. Cannon ink tank has been installed. Perfect. That's it. So that's how simple it is, guys. I hope you're gonna like it.